Good morning, children. Welcome to the video class. How are you, children? I hope that you are safe. Hopefully, you are watching the video classes. Are you? Very good, ma'am. Now we are familiar to each other and a bond of friendship also developing between us. I treat you as my friends. Can I, children? Thank you, ma'am. So we are friends now. So friends are sharing their memories too. So I would like to share one of my childhood memory with you. When I was in my school, I had plenty of hobbies. Do you know what was my favorite hobby? My favorite hobby was collecting pebbles from the sand. I had a very good collection of pebbles. I love that shiny pebbles very much. Wherever I found the sand, especially in the beaches and in front of the houses, which were under construction, I rushed there to collect pebbles. After collecting the pebbles, I used to build sand castles and I decorated the castles with beautiful pebbles. It looks amazing. See in this picture, children? Here, children are building sand castles. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. Do you ever build sand castles, children? Must try it. After completing the castle, you feel so proud. Like me, there are two other girls, Zainab and Munia, who are playing with the bricks and they built brick walls. Do you want to know about them? So, open page number 5 in your textbook. As I told, Zainab and Munia are playing with the bricks and they are making brick walls. Each girl makes a different wall. Zainab says, my wall is strong. And Munia says, no, my wall is wrong. Left side wall is Zainab's and the right side wall is Munia's. Okay, ma? So children, tell me who built the strong wall? Children, do you ever observe when the masons are building walls? They do not put bricks one on top of the other. Here, Munia puts the bricks one on the top of the other, which is easily false. But Zainab arranged very wisely, so her wall will not fall. So tell me, children, which wall is the strongest? Zainab's. So move to the next topic. Different wall patterns. Here are photos of three kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way that how are the bricks placed? Do you understand, children? Now match the photos of each wall with the correct drawing below. In the above row, for the brick walls, give the alphabets A, B, C. For the first wall, alphabet A. For the second wall, alphabet B. For the third wall, alphabet C. For the below drawings, give numbers 1, 2, 3 to them. Now match, ma. Which is the correct match for wall A? Which one, ma? For wall A? The second drawing. That means A, 2. Okay, ma? So for wall B, the third drawing. For wall C, the first drawing. Okay, ma? A2, B3, C1. Is that clear, children? Now let's move to the next topic. What is this, ma? Looking through a brick jali. What is this, ma? Looking through a brick jali. Children, now I would like to show different styles of brick patterns. Have a look, children. These patterns are called jali patterns. The first picture is from our textbook, ma, and the next two are from other source. Says, children, what is a jali? Do you have any idea? Jali is a pattern used to lowering the temperature by compressing the air through the holes. Children, do you find the holes and are gaps in between the bricks, ma? Yeah. In ancient days, when the electricity was not available, so jali patterns are very common, especially for humid areas like Kerala, Konkan and coastal districts of Andhra Pradesh. have larger holes than other areas. Not only that, jali enhance the beauty of the construction. But nowadays, jalis become less frequent for privacy and security reasons, ma. Children, do you ever see the jali pattern? I am pretty much sure that you saw. Why? Because in our school at stairs, jalis are there. For ventilation and sunlight, we are using the jali patterns. Okay, children? Just remember that one. Let's move to the next. Jharoka, window. Children, have a look. What a beautiful windows are these. These are called jharokas. Jharoka is an open window without any window panes. Do you ever heard about Rajasthan? How is the temperature there? There, the temperature is really high. It has an extreme temperature in both summer and winter. So the people who belong to these kind of temperature zones, they built these kind of windows which are fully open, so it protects them from low humidity and high temperatures. Okay, children? Okay, let's move to the next step. Do you know what it is? It is arch. So observe the picture, children. The curved shape is called arch. Children, do you have any idea about an arch? Do you have, ma? Arch is a curved structure that is supported by straight slides, sometimes forming an entrance. Do you ever see an arch? In our school, also arches are there. Where? This time I don't reveal. You have to find out that. But I would like to give you a hint. Do you want that hint? The hint is there is a place where daily we meet in the morning. I hope plenty of you get the idea. Okay. Nowadays, arches are constructing a lot at bridges, in houses, function halls, everywhere you can see the arches. Why? Because it enhances the beauty and it brings the classical feel to a building. And to identify some different places, these arches are helped us because people engrave the names also on the arches. Okay, children? Let's move to the next slide. Children, till now we learned plenty of things about bricks. So now I would like to test you that how is your observation skills. No need to be worried. It is a very simple test, ma. So are you ready, children? So open your textbook, children, page number 4. Okay. Take out your pencil also. Okay, children, are you ready? So this is our first question. Which of these are the faces of a brick? So tell me, children, how many faces that a brick has? A brick has 6 faces. Here few faces are there. So among these 8 pictures, only few are the faces of brick. So what are the faces of brick? Do you get it, ma? So let's find out this answer. So these 3 are the faces of the brick. Okay, children, are you ready for the next question? Okay, let's go. Which of these is a drawing of a brick? Among these 5 figures, there is a drawing of a brick, ma. What is that? Do you get that one? Okay. Do you put your answer, ma? Now check your answer with my answer. So this is the drawing of a brick. Okay, children? Okay, children, I hope that you are understand, children. So what we learned today? We learned jali, jharoka and arches. Okay, ma? These are different kinds of brick patterns. So go through the textbook. If you have any doubts, call me, ma. Or when I make a call to you, you may ask me, ma. Thank you, children.